Hi, it's Paula from Pola Quilting. Welcome back to my channel. Next tip, must have rulers. So when you're just starting, there are two sizes of rulers that are needed in my opinion. Big square 12.5 inch and the long 6.5 by 24 inches ruler. Those are the two I started from. With those two rulers you can cut anything you need. After that I started adding to my collection depending on what size of the blocks I was using the most. I have a 6.5 and 4.5 inch ruler because that's matching my scrap system, for example. Plus also I like my scrappy blocks, like crumb blocks for example, have them cut to 6.5, so it's quite handy. When choosing ruler, have a also look on what type of markings there are. They come, different on different rulers. Do you need thicker lines or you prefer thinner lines? Before you decide either on the type of markings or the size, you could always ask your friends if they've got one like that, so you can test it. I also borrow rulers in specific size if I know that it's a one-off project and I will no longer use it later, or I will use it, maybe once a year, very occasionally. It really saves a lot of money, but also a lot of storage in the long term. Hi, it's Paula from Pola Quilting. Welcome back to my channel.